in the country.
Yeah, I am radical. We need to get radical about what we are doing and take it seriously.
As President of the United States, I am prepared to get rid of the filibuster to pass a Green New Deal. There's no question I'm in favor of banning fracking. We have to have a buyback program, and I support a mandatory buyback program.
I believe it will totally eliminate private insurance.
Let's eliminate all of that.
But would you support changing the dietary guidelines?
Yes.
You know, the food pyramid. What would people
Yes.
to reduce red meat specifically?
Yes, I would.
Raise your hand if your government plan would provide coverage for undocumented immigrants.
Where do you stand on defund the police?
This whole movement is about rightly saying we need to take a look at these budgets.
Harris asserted that ICE is perceived as the modern-day Ku Klux Klan.
Are you aware that there's a perception?
I see no.
Are you aware that there's a
that
perception?
puts ICE in the same category as the KKK? Is that what you're asking me? I see no parallel.
I'm not finished.
I see none.
And yeah, I am radical. We need to get radical about what we are doing.
Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the air filter and the fan wheel on a Stihl model SH85 blower vac. That's a replacement air filter element. Part number 42291201800. That's a replacement fan wheel. Mine's all chewed up. And that is part number 42297043400. Begin with the air filter. Just pinch these two tabs here. This pops out. There's two spades here that slide in two slots in there. There's your old filter. For the fan wheel, we're going to turn it around. The fan wheel won't come through this opening, so we're going to have to take this housing off. See the difference there. T25 Torx screws. There's about 8 of them. This is a 13mm nut and it's reverse threaded, so in order to take it off you have to put it on, if that makes any sense. Turn it clockwise to take it off. Got this metal cutting blade on top. Even has a little arrow here to show you off is in the clockwise direction. There's a washer on top. Let's clean it out really good. Some type of fiber thing wound around here. I want to make sure I get that off. I'm going to have to cut that with a utility knife. Or take this washer off, lift it out of the way. That's where my hair went. Put that washer back on. Yeah, take a look at the old blade, or the old blower. Compare it to the new one. See, it was pretty worn. Look at that. Seems to be working great. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.
Gun owners of America. Gun owners of America.
Gun owners of America.
Gun owners of America. Gun owners of America.
If you're sitting at home and you contribute to the Gun Owners of America, stop giving.
The only no-compromise gun group in Washington.
They're tougher than the NRA, aren't they?
That's right.
The NRA is bad, really bad. Gun Owners of America is even worse than bad.
We do not support gun control. We do not support gun control fully loaded. We do not support gun control light. We have opposed every gun control at the federal level.
After days of silence following the Las Vegas attack, the NRA announced it was backing new regulations on bump stocks.
Interestingly enough, while the NRA is saying maybe we should regulate, restrict these bump stocks, Eric Pratt says no.